Welcome to another Math Challenge Week, Week 16, Cost Savings. This is my favorite one because it's all about coffee. Question number 1 starts off by saying, my wife and I were looking at replacing our Keurig coffee maker with an old-fashioned conventional one. She seems to think we'll save a lot of money doing that. Figure out the cost for each K-cup in the 48 container box. So again, this box costs $14.98. There's 48 of those K-cups inside this box. How much does each of those K-cups cost to get to the $14.98 mark? Next question, question 2. Figure out the cost using a 48-ounce can of coffee. We'll plan on using the 3,300 ounces of coffee just like the K-cups have. So those K-cups have 3,300 ounces of coffee in each of those cups. How many cups can we get from the 48-ounce canister of coffee? So here's a 48-ounce can of coffee. If we compare apples to apples, again, those K-cups have 3,300 ounces of coffee in them. In this 48-ounce container of coffee, how many cups can I get from that using 3,300ths of an ounce? Question 3. Using the amount of cups of coffee you can make from a 48-ounce can of coffee, what is the cost per cup using the can of coffee? So figure out how many cups you can make from question 2 and figure out $8.48. How much is each cup of coffee costing me at $8.48 from this 48-ounce can? So you need to figure out question 2 before you can figure out question 3. And the last question, looking at the cost per K-cup from question 1 and the cost per cup using the 48-ounce can of coffee, which is question 3, figure out the difference in cost and how much you would save if we both each drank a cup of coffee daily in a 30-day month. So going back up to question 1, you know your cost per cup. Down here for question number 3, you now know your cost per cup. If my wife and I each drink a cup of coffee a day for 30 straight days, what's the difference in cost between the two? Good luck this week. My wife was amazed to know this also when she did the math.